Hello, my name is Emily, and today I'm going to be discussing the three major earthquakes. On January 12, 2010, Haiti had a catastrophic earthquake of 7.0 magnitude in Léogâne, which is 16 miles from the capital of Port-au-Prince. By January 24th, 52 aftershocks of 4.5 magnitude or greater had been felt. According to USGS, 3 million people live in the capital. 100 to 160,000 people reported to have died, and 30,000 buildings were badly damaged or collapsed. This was due to poverty, poor housing, national debt, and unemployment, according to Britannica. A tsunami warning was issued and killed 3 people. In Kashmir, a 7.6 earthquake northeast of Muzaffarabad happened in October 8th in 2005. It killed 80,000 people, injured 100,000, and 3 million were left homeless. A census in 2011 stated that 12.5 million people lived in the city. It also rests on the Indo-Australian plate and moves 2.7 inches a year, which is slightly faster than most other plates, according to National Geographic. The quake also broke the Earth's crust, and lots of stress had built up over time. The ground also moved more than 7 meters, and the waves were shallow and intense, creating more damage. Landslides also wiped out many villages. On July 15, 2009, New Zealand had an earthquake of 7.8 magnitude on the South Island at a depth of 7.5 miles and the force of 500,000 tons of dynamite. The southwest tip moved 30 centimeters closer to Australia. However, there were no deaths or injuries reported, but only 200 people claimed damages to their property. This is because New Zealand had good infrastructure and plenty of warning systems in place, like a tsunami warning, and there were some landslides. The difference between the various earthquakes is that Haiti had more poverty, and then India was less severe, and New Zealand had the best systems in place to prevent a catastrophe. It also has to do with location and the various plates that each country is on. Also, the risks and hazards that are there, such as landslides, tsunamis, and stuff like that. If we had better warning systems, more hospitals, and stuff like that in place, it would be less of a disaster. Here are my reference slides.